where the breathing is easy, the living is good.
Welcome to Larry Smith Outdoors. Join us each and every week as we travel across the Midwest, filming 52 new hunting and fishing shows a year. Sponsored by Bartline Barrels, Green Bay Trophy Fishing, Karsten, Dick Smith's Bait and Tackle, DOWCO, Guillotine, Kamick Law Offices, Come Along, Mike's Country Meats, Midwest Shooter Supply, Heavy Shot, Vexlar, Warrior Boats, Wings Over Wisconsin, and Jiffy.
And remember, it's a great day to be alive.
Hey, welcome to another exciting episode of Larry Smith Outdoors. This week, we've got a great show for you. We actually got our good friend and pro staff member, Eric Starr, finally got a bear permit. He waited 12 years for this permit up here in Dunbar. You know, that's the big thing about Wisconsin. In a lot of these zones, it takes anywhere from 4 to 12 years to get a tag, and this is one of them zones that it takes almost 12 years. And I'll tell you, he's super excited, and I can't say I blame him. He's been doing a lot of hard work, a lot of baiting, and I got a feeling he's gonna get a big bear. So stay tuned this week on our bear hunt up in Dunbar.
Well, after 12 years of applying, getting denied, finally drew a bear tag for Wisconsin. I'm lucky enough to have a good buddy that knows somebody that owns some land up north, so we're gonna head up there today and start my bait for 2018. Hopefully I can pound one this year with the bow. Hopefully we have something come in. Just gonna go up, meet our buddy Pep up in Michigan, maybe stop at a national trapping convention, bring my bait up to the spot, check out the spot, hang a lone wolf, and yeah, we're gonna kick off bear season this weekend. September 7th. We're on an evening hunt tonight. We've had bears in this bait every day for the last week. They ate all the bait the first day, so they've just been coming back to check it. I'm pretty pumped up. First time I've ever been able to hunt bears in 12 years. I got my bow with me. I'm gonna try to self-film it. Really cool looking bait sight. Super thick. Mr. Lutz just got done baiting it. It's about 4:30. So, well, we're gonna give her a go. I'm super pumped, like I said.
Why is Warrior Boats the official boat of Larry Smith Outdoors? When you spend your life on the water, you need a boat that is dependable, reliable, and comfortable. Warrior Boats are the most diverse multi-species fishing platform in the industry. Whether you're a hardcore tournament angler or looking to enjoy weekends relaxing on the water with your family, Warrior Boats have a boat to fit your needs. Warrior Boats create the ultimate fishing experience. To join the Warrior Boats family, go to warriorboatsinc.com to find a dealer near you.
Trust DOWCO, the manufacturer that most well-respected boat brands trust for their covers and tops. DOWCO is the leading manufacturer of custom-fit boat covers, pontoon covers, bimini tops, furniture, seating, accessories, and hardware. Are you looking for a cover to replace an old and worn-out cover on your older model used boat? Visit DOWCOmarine.com today to find a cover that fits your boat. Use promo code Larry10 and get an additional 10% off.
September 8th. I sat this morning, didn't have any luck. Last night I had a really good one come in. Couldn't quite tell if the other bear with her was a yearling or a cub. But we went back and we looked at the pictures. It's definitely a yearling. So hopefully she comes back in tonight again. I sit over the bait here. It's about 4 o'clock. So we're going to see if something happens. He just got done banging the bales and he walked out, and I'm up here now and ready to go. Was that pour? I'm pretty sure I just smoked him.
Woo! Eric, absolutely awesome shot on that bear, and what a beautiful animal. You know, that's what it's all about. I love hunting. It's just the excitement of what happens, and to see people get so excited about it, you can understand why it's so special. You know, let's talk about special things. We're going to shift gears here a little bit, and we're going to run over to Wings Over Wisconsin. They've got some really good duck hunting land over by Sun Prairie. We've got about 30 kids. This is a youth hunt going on, and it's a 2-day hunt, Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to go over and film that and see some excitement on these kids and see how good of shots they are. So stay tuned. The most versatile jigging and hook setting system the fishing industry has ever seen. Programmed and customized jigging and hook setting techniques. Bringing innovative remote control technology to the fishing world. This all-purpose tool will change the way you fish. The Guillotine, made by Rut Fin.
Creating a fishing boat that delivers unsurpassed fishability, speed, and performance on the water is achieved through an ongoing commitment to quality and a driving passion for making great boats even better. You'll see this commitment to quality and a passion for building the fisherman's boat in every Warrior boat model you see on the water. For additional information on Warrior Boats' new V208, check out their website at warriorboatsinc.com. or visit your local Warrior Boats dealer to schedule a test drive and see for yourself why no fishing boat on the market offers a smoother, drier ride, more interior cockpit space, more storage, more room to fish big water in complete comfort and safety than the V208 from Warrior Boats.
Shaka, how are you doing today?
Okay, I'm gonna make one more phone call and then we're out of here. To the weeds.
Ready, fellas?
Dave, you're going to
No, I get to run. We better get out there and start following people. After I grab a couple of gumballs.
Hey, once again, Smith showed up late. We are on everything this morning. 5-hour energy drinks. We're late, so we're living off of Mike's Country Beef Hot Jamaican. Thanks, Smith, for showing up on time again for another shoot.
Yeah.
Max, you're not excited, are you?
Hey, who do we have hunting here today?
George.
George?
Yeah.
George, Larry Smith, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you excited?
Extremely.
Are you? Well, good luck today. I hope you get a couple.
It's first time, so.
Really?
Yeah.
First time
Wow.
with ducks, yeah.
Are you going to get some birds today or what?
Hope so.
Yeah? You got any decoys out in front of you?
No.
Well, do you mind if I put one out in front of you?
Sure.
Okay. Come on. Well, I'm not going too far, I can tell you that much. Got the lucky ducks out. We'll see how lucky they are today.
I'll get your back. Ready? It smells like girl stuff too, so you should
It
be
does
good.
smell like girl stuff, right?
Good? Come here, young man.
It was Connor.
Holy, you're a tall drink of water, young man. How old are you?
14.
No way. How many meals a day do you eat? 5?
It's exciting.
They're all loaded?
Yeah.
608, guys. Here comes Renee. Coming right to you. So what's your name? Talk.
Nolan.
Nolan what? How old are you?
Culbertson. 15.
Where are you from?
Sun Prairie, Wisconsin.
Sun Prairie. Nice. Tell Tom thanks for calling you up and bringing you out today and having this for all the kids.
Yep.
Here. Nice. 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 Beautiful.
Good shot.
Thanks. That's a darn nice bird right there, bud.
Good shot.
Yep. All right, the birds already went out. We shot 2 woodies, some nice drakes. Tom waited till 7 o'clock. What he's doing now is now they're out feeding. He's gonna put decoys out. So when they come back to see the decoys in the water, they're gonna wanna sit on the water and drink water and finish eating, watching what they ate. So now he's running out right now at 7 o'clock, getting the birds coming back off they went feeding.
Here. No. 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 No.
Your dog ever done that shotgun?
Oh yeah, but you can't smoke the dog for him. You hit the collar, you can't hit them because they're retrieving. I mean, eventually there's going to be a bird dead in the decoys, and they just got to figure out which is the real one and which is the fake one.
Nope.
Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Good shot, good shot, good shot, good shot. Woo. That's what we're talking about. He's on it. Good boy, Max. Fetch him up, fetch him up, fetch him up, fetch him up. Yeah, good boy. Woo. Good boy. Let's go. Did you see what I did? You notice I didn't call Adam, I called away from him. I was telling that bird that I'm over here. Come on, good boy, right here. Drop. There you go, young man. You're on fire. That's a heavy bird, too.
First one.
First goose of your life?
Yeah.
What are you gonna name that thing?
I don't know.
Dead? Good boy. When you got him, when he was talking back to us like that, do not call Adam. Like you saw, I turned away from him. Because if you're ever on a pond, you hear someone calling, it echoes so bad if you go towards them. So I turned away from him. That brought him this way to come towards us. That's why he was coming. He was gonna land right here, right? Was he? Yeah, he was thinking about landing right here, and then he saw your decoys, and I was calling this way. That's what brought him over the top of the hump. Here's how I learned how to train my dog on geese. You only gotta go 10 yards. Take it. Set. Tell him to take a mark. Watch. Ready? Watch. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. As soon as he picks him up, praise the heck out of him. Praise the heck out of him. As soon as he picks it up, and he'll get used to it.
Pitch it up. Pitch it up.
See, that's the problem. They don't know how to pick him up.
Pitch it up.
Walk away from her. Walk away from her. Make her bring it to you.
Here.
Yep. Make her bring it to you. Keep walking.
Pitch it up. Here.
Good girl. Pitch it up, girl.
Here.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now, there you go. Walk away. Walk. There you go.
Here.
There you go.
Yeah. Here.
Now. Yep.
Pitch it up.
Grab it from her. Grab it from her and do it again.
Pitch it up.
That's awesome training right there for a young dog. There you go. This is stuff they're not going to teach you in a book. Touch up.
Do that here.
Now watch. Watch how he picks it up. Good boy. Let's go. Here.
So
Here. He finds the sweet spot. There, he's got it. Now see. Now he can't get kicked or he can't get hit with the wings. Come on, let's go. Here. See how he's got it? Right here. Good boy. That's how he learned. He grabbed it right behind the 2 wings.
Here, nice, drop it.
Leave it. Leave it. Good boy. Here.
Pitch it up.
It's hard to teach a dog to shoot geese. Or retrieve. Once you get a dog birdie, they'll retrieve anything for you.
Wings Over Wisconsin, a nonprofit organization dedicated to natural resource restoration, preservation, and education with youth and community involvement. Through cooperation with private landowners, state and federal agencies, Wings Over Wisconsin has been a leader in the preservation of our natural wildlife habitat, with donated dollars staying in Wisconsin for Wisconsin. For information about how you can join this great organization or how to start a new chapter, please visit wingsoverwisconsin.org.
For over 25 years, Midwestern Shooter Supply has been your premier dealer for hunting supplies. Our staff is friendly, experienced, and certified with over 15 years in gunsmithing experience. We're your one-stop shop for your hunting needs. Our inventory is at the lowest possible price, and we will match any other dealer advertised price. Do you do more than hunt? Check out our supply of fishing products as well. Visit Midwestern Shooter Supply today, or shop our web store at mwshooters.com. Midwestern Shooter Supply. We want to be your outdoor supplier.
All right, when you're way out in the woods, you guys, like we are, we're a long ways. What do you say, quarter mile, half mile? Here's a fancy tool you got to take them out of the woods. Go ahead, put them in, show them how to do it. You put the head right through there, slide it down, put another head through, slide it in, and there's a little bracket right here, the little hook. This goes over it. Squeeze them, if I can get it to go. Slide it right down to the duck like that so it doesn't come off. Now the other side, we're going to put his goose in there. And then all your waders, pretty much most of your waders all have a hook on them. And this goes right on his back. Put it right through the back. Now look at that. He can go all the way, walk all the way back to the truck, got all that stuff on there. Or if you don't want to do that, they go around your neck. And this rubber strap takes all the weight off you. So you walk out, you got all your decoys and there's no weight on you. You got all your hands wide open. It's a good little tool for people that, like I hunt by myself quite a bit. It's a good tool to have. And it folds up, what, 2 inches inside your backpack? Yeah, it's a good tool.
Just so you guys know, there's this girl around here. She hasn't shot yet.
What?
Don't tell anybody. I don't know who she is, right?
What?
Does she got ponytails?
She wants to just kill deer.
Got it?
Oh, no. This is when I get nervous.
No.
What are you nervous about?
Come on, CC. 2, 3.
Yeah, it wasn't so bad, was it?
How was that?
Nice. So you got a couple nice birds.
Yeah.
Here's another one. Who wants one? That one? Here you go, young man. Recipe of the day in the back of the tailgate for Shotgun Chef Steve Schaefer. The guy. Little oil in the pan. Going down. Scrambled eggs. Put scrambled eggs first. I took the pheasant that Larry shot the other day. Cooked it up. Put Larry's Southwest seasoning on it, and first of all I took and smashed it all up. So I beat the heck out of it so it's really soft. Cooked it up 3/4 of the way, throwing it right in the eggs right now so everything cooks at once. American potatoes I made. It's hard working off the back of a tailgate of a truck. It takes a real chef to be able to do this, which I'm not. I throw a little American potato set, cooked them up last night 3/4 of the way. All the eggs do is a binder for everything else. When it gets to 3/4 of the way done, I'm going to add the orange stuff. Now we're putting a little binder of cheese in there. Everybody loves cheese. There you go, taco sauce right there in the tailgate. I mean, how much? Awesome. You ready, young man?
Yep. That is excellent.
Best breakfast burrito you're going to have this morning, I have a funny feeling.
Excellent. Yeah, right.
This is service, you guys.
I'll take that.
Thank you. Before I hurt myself, huh?
You got a little more than that?
Oh yeah, a little bit more.
I'll never hit the sidewalls. Okay.
Oh, you got it. A little bit of ketchup on there.
Around me, make me taking pictures. The shade, you can't see your faces. He's Bert. He's the head of the big dogs up in Bayville. So the Wings of Wisconsin land that you've been hunting on, most of you have been hunting on today, he's the head dog that whenever they need money or anything, they have to go to him and beg.
All right.
So we thank them for coming all the way down today. They did go hunting this way, but they took time to come down for us. So.
Thank you, Dom and Julie.
Thank you.
Well, we certainly hope everybody enjoyed our show this week. You know, it was really cool of Eric to get that great bear and to see all these kids come out for the youth hunt. That's what it's all about, enjoying the outdoors. You know what? You can't get enough of it as far as I'm concerned. Hey, make sure everybody also checks out all of our social media stuff and joins us on Facebook and subscribes to our YouTube channel. And you always want to check out, we've always got interesting stuff all week going on all of our rest of our social media avenues, so check us out there. Hey, remember, like I always say, it's a great day to be alive.
1 box of shells, that's it? You're gonna kill like 6 birds with 1 box?
It's half the box.
Right, that's what I was thinking.
You were talking back there. How come you're not saying nothing now?
Right. Oh, I mean, some super glue in her lips. Oh my gosh, what happened?
Like you almost meet it.
It was the best pheasant I've had this morning.
No, you gotta say it like this. Boy, this is the best pheasant I've ever had this morning. Like that.
Enough relish on that hot dog?
Yeah, I like a little relish on my hot dog. You got a problem with that? Let me just guess one thing. Relish is not a millennial deal, right? Right, that, no, I totally understand. What would it be? What's that fancy word?
Avocado? I don't know.
Oh, come on, man.
Hey, Larry, what happened to your hair?
They're getting old.
Great, look how great it is. Man.
Did you shampoo air condition this morning?
I did.
Did you wake up?
Right.
Yeah,
That's the cleanest I've ever seen them.
Wow, jeez.